How to find your blocked contacts in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your blocked contacts in WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open our WhatsApp application. And before we start, make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So if not, please go to the App Store or Play Store and go ahead and update your WhatsApp application to ensure that you are going to face the same user interface and so that you will be guided all throughout the steps. So currently I'm on the status page of WhatsApp. So we need to go to the settings page. So just click on the logo located at the bottom right corner right here and click on account so that we can access the settings and tweak it as we like. After that, let's just click on privacy. And here you have many options you can change. So these are the options to limit the people who are going to see your information. And as you scroll down, you can see the blocked option right here. So once you click this, it will show the list of contacts you have blocked. So through this, you can also choose to unblock a certain person or just check which accounts you have blocked before. So let's just click on that. And there you can see the particular contacts that you have blocked before in your WhatsApp application, and you can always click on their contact information and know more about this particular contact. So blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages, and that's how to find your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.